In today's video, I will teach you how you can make a PCB, which is known as a printed circuit board. You can see lots of videos from most of the projects, factory made projects, and everyday life equipment have a circuit inside. So that's why we need some sort of circuit board which need to mount our circuit. So first, I am tell you how you can print in circuit board. So first, do EasyEDA and any PCB designing software. In my case, I am using EasyEDA. You can use TTAB and anything, offline and online softwares. But this software is online, so online software you need internet connection. Now I am already logged in. That means I am already logged in with EasyEDA. If you are not registered, you can first register it with EasyEDA. And one more benefit, if you make account of EasyEDA, you can easily access LCIC, which is a Chinese company, which is an online company which can provide you electronic components, and JLC PCB, which is a factory PCB company is. But this is not a sponsor of this. But now continue the word. First, we can do Twitch start project. Project name here I made view meter, VUMETER meter. Continue it. Which is what is a view meter circuit? A view meter is a thing which thing you can see in your amplifier or your studio amplifier or your woofer systems, which can go up and down according to your level. First, I can search in Google same time LM39 14 IC based IC circuit here, which can get my circuit, and then I use this time I am printing internet certain in internet. So that's why I not recreate this. But if not, you can maintain a certain diagram in software, which software you can use later you can use to build a PCB. So there are two processes. One process is known as a circuit design, and other process you can design your circuit board. First we can do we need an LM39 which is pin IC. So I mark since counting is there, because there are, you can see already 11 counting is present, digit is present. We mount counting digits. But keep in mind, when placing a counting digit is our proper configuration, meaning they are not mismatched or not something like that. Counting is not terrible, because just like you can miss, I am missing accidentally folded and missing 16 here. So that's why never missing any number. And one thing I also folded, you can pull their name of the IC, which IC is, and my IC, and also put the IC style, means package. So my IC is deep package. So I am using deep package, so that's why I select deep package. Now I am select. So deep package means dual in line package, and you can see there I put LM39 14 IC, and you should use 15 IC, LM39 or LM39 14, LM39 15, both as the same board, but this time pin out is different. Now place IC right there and flip this space key to turn IC other way around. IC place in the middle. Now we need those LIB, and then we can select. First I put this thing there, projects again, and then select ELB. Now put, I think this thing is a little bit longer, so easy to see. So these are your components which you can use to build a circuit. So in my case I need LEDs. So there are options, 3 LEDs in my case. You should use, your software can contain lots of LED options. First we have to do put each 3 LEDs, because in my case my LED is only available in 3 various. So that's why I am using blue first, and I think first put blue one, and then green one, because my plan is that so red indicates low sound level, because view meter is a meter which can tell you how much your audio level is. So red means very low audio level, blue means normal, and green means full audio level. So that's why I use these three LEDs. Keep in mind, when LED placing LED number is fine. First place LED number wise. So this time you also see in here there are pin number 10 to pin number 18 pins. Pin number pin number 10 to pin number 18 pins. There are output pins. So output pins connecting the LEDs negative terminals and LED positive terminals you can join commonly. So this time you can use this IC. I mean dot matrix dot bar display, which is also made of LEDs, which is contain whites of LEDs you can see in here. So there like that, it contains too much LEDs in single package, which is common anode, available in common cathode. You can use common anode one, and you can use also this, but in my case I use LED. First we can to do put one by one LED and put and throw it to a terminal. This time you can use this line to draw circuit, but this time if you can use this pencil to draw line. This is your line is little bit twisty line, so that's why if you try to make this twisty line proper way, that you can see there are too much nodes. So these nodes, let me check. So these nodes you can see in there, which these you can see their node. Let me click there. So you can see this is a made of twice of node, which nodes can help you to make just a light length and handle of the wire. So but this is problem is that there is too much nodes. If you made a little bit twist line, so that's why you can not need too much nodes. You can delete some nodes, so which is a slow way to make a circuit, quick way or more professional way. Instead using this with one by one LED. Keep in mind priorities are that way, placing into the number. So I am placed like there and pit it out. It automatically made a line or wire which way you can need to be what. So you can put like that, put out like that, and then we can place like there first, and then you can put it automatically generate a line, which is known as a track. Then you can use this way easily. Instead you can put a pencil and then draw a line and take too much nodes first, delete one by one node and then do. So to it, an easy method is to use this. But this time if you are using a desktop PCB, one main thing you tend to do, save every point, because desktop PC is a problem which then if you have some reason PC is turned off, that it then might be your delete. If you delete your circuit automatically if you save them. So that's why it is always save if you are using desktop PC or some laptop charging issue, that stage you can use charge every step by step, because otherwise, but I am also meant use step by step saving, because something goes wrong maybe, so there's no guarantee. Sometimes you maybe certain internet disconnect or something, lights down. So that's why if your laptop is chargeable laptop, but still you can wait 3 or 2 hours to come a light back, so then begin save the circuit. So that's why if you already save the circuit, then something is goes on, you can close the PCB and then next time you can restart the project without losing the project. Then see, I arrange the LED proper way. Now I see. So make sure when designing placing light circuits like that, so there's as a track. So these line tracks are not shorted together, otherwise your circuit will not work. So minor space is required while you maintain these tracks. Not too much space, but if you made a high voltage circuit, so that's why you can use. So that's I'm using my BC. I made a little bit mistake here because I put wrong number LED in the place. So that's why what I tend to do, I can replace them, because later if you place a correct numbering LED arrangement, that's time you can make a PCB when it is easiest. You will be easy to identify which LED is a low indication LED and which LEDs are indication LED. Because if you are not into that numbering, so that's why you can need to change and find out which LEDs are which point is connected when you design the circuit. I mean PCB. So this first is known as a circuit design. Right now I'm designing a circuit. Now put in there, and now I put this my sheet because I made a circuit in sidewise, not a center of the sheet. So that's why my circuit is out of the sheet. So I put a sheet and arrange to that way. So now pin number 1 is also output like there. So we need a one more green LED. Keep in mind when you design a circuit, first you can know data sheet about your IC, which IC you can use, and then you can design a circuit, because most of the times your IC you are searching in internet circuits might be different when your IC package, because sometimes you will search and some IC number which is not available in internet but Doodle can do it put out a random number, same number with little bit different. You might be saying it is always same, but it is not same. There might be minor difference. So that's why it will always confirm your IC pin out and then design a circuit. So now put that there layer. Now I place this LED here. So now it's 11 LEDs it's need. So there are 11 points you need first. Now this track is a little bit long, so I made a place such a way it can consume less space. So I place like there. Keep in mind this cannot short any other pole is, so that's why so now you can see I put easily a node, this node, and place like a direction which direction we need to make a line. But if you take this, if you put too much nodes, so you can need only 2 or 3 nodes or 6 nodes maximum in one generator one line. So that's why you can not need too much nodes. So it is made a problem if you made a too much node. So now you can see we need a VCC terminal. So there is a battery flat, supply flat will attach the VCC terminal. This time you can put in this circuit maximum 8 to 22. I attach a VCC terminal which is indicate 12 volt. You can use there's also more 5 volt or also twice for more. It can flat is available. I'm checked one by one. First completed. You can see it's short circuit first in this line. So what I tend to do, place quickly and then remove this short circuited line, because right now it is a building process. If you are save this thing after and you realize that anyone to that is shorting, that's not problem. Is a problem, because if you are design a circuit board and then you can order or not order the circuit board, both days you can redesign circuit board if you have made up some little mistake. And one more thing, this time you can make your PCB printing circuit board at home your own self, but this case it is a little bit time consuming method. So because first you can use the upper-laid PCB making process I tell in future, because right now it requires some tools which tools or materials which I don't have right now. In my future I get some tools to design in PCB at home, so then I am sure how you can design PCB. But PCB design you can use copper clad. That's what you can buy entire set of copper clad. If you are making 1 or 2 PCBs, then time your entire bundle of copper clad, which is almost 1 point is used and 1 piece of used, and then entire is waste. So that's why it is easy way to buy us instead making buy it you buy it. But again, buy's problem is that it is not available in offline. PCBs is not available in offline, so you need to buy it online. First you can place there and then click there. Make sure first that is done. This time it is a very easy method to do that by putting a that in here. Keep in mind, while placing that, it will not short to 1 and over. It is any touching it might be made a problem. So place like there, and now with this one, because I made one more 3 more extra node here, so I need to pull this node in here, and keep in mind it's not short. Now VCC pull the VCC in here, it will connect there. Now it's connected. Now what I can to do, first save right there. If you like to make an endpoint, you can make full circuit and then save it. And but in my opinion, save you can. It is best way to you can save 1 by 1 a point, because this way it, and if you get some problem in end, because light dawn on anything is problem, so you might be not waiting or lost your circuit. So it is easy way to save every point.